Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to turn off screen time without the passcode on your iPhone or iPad. All right, let's begin. First, open the Settings app and tap Screen Time. If you try to turn off screen time, you'll be asked to enter the screen time passcode. If you've forgotten the passcode, tap Change Screen Time Passcode instead of Turn Off Screen Time. Then select Forgot Passcode. Next, enter the Apple ID and password that you originally used when setting up the screen time passcode. This recovery option is only available if you link screen time to your Apple ID during the initial setup. After verifying your Apple ID, create a new screen time passcode and confirm it. Once the new passcode is set, return to the main screen time menu, tap Turn Off Screen Time, and enter the new passcode you just created. Screen time will then be disabled. If you don't see the Forgot Passcode option, or you didn't associate screen time with your Apple ID, this recovery method won't work. In that case, there isn't an official way to remove the screen time passcode without erasing the device and setting it up again. So that's basically how you can turn off screen time without the passcode on your iPhone or iPad. That's it for this video. Thanks!